You need to hear this if you're a parent looking for summer fun ideas. Hello everyone! Let's make summer awesome! Hi kids! Hi parents! Summer is here. That means no school and lots of playtime. Are you ready for some super fun adventures? I know I am. We're going to learn how to make the most awesome summer ever. We can do so many cool things, even in our backyards. Get ready for outdoor games, making cool crafts, and learning amazing things. And guess what? We'll have tons of fun while we do it. Are you excited? I am super duper excited. Let's go! Let's go on a backyard adventure. Today we're going to explore, play, and discover all the amazing things we can find right in our own backyard. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's go on a nature scavenger hunt. There are so many interesting things to find if we just look closely. Nature is full of surprises, and today we're going to uncover some of its hidden treasures. Grab a bag or a basket. These will be perfect for collecting all the cool things we find. Make sure you have enough space because you never know what you might discover. Now let's see what we can find. Keep your eyes open and your senses sharp. Every little detail could lead to a new discovery. Can you find a smooth gray rock? Rocks come in all shapes and sizes, but a smooth gray one is special. It might have been shaped by water or wind over many years. How about a tiny brown bug? Bugs are fascinating creatures. They play important roles in our ecosystem. Look closely and see how they move and interact with their environment. Look for a bright yellow dandelion. Dandelions are not just pretty flowers, they are also a source of food for many insects. Plus, you can make a wish when you blow on their seeds. Wow, you found so many cool things. Each item tells a story about the world around us. Let's share our discoveries and learn from each other. Let's build a super cool obstacle course. This is where we can get really creative. Think about all the fun ways we can challenge ourselves and each other. We can use anything we find outside. Sticks, leaves, rocks, and even toys can become part of our course. The only limit is our imagination. How about some pillows for jumping? Pillows are soft and safe, making them perfect for a fun jumping challenge. Let's see how high we can go. Let's lay down a blanket to crawl under. Crawling is a great way to test our agility and have fun at the same time. It's like going through a secret tunnel. We can even use those empty boxes over there to make a tunnel. Tunnels add an element of mystery and excitement. Who knows what adventures await on the other side? Wow, this obstacle course is going to be epic. With all these creative elements, we're sure to have a blast. Let's give it a try and see who can complete it the fastest. Camping in the backyard is so much fun. It's like having a mini adventure right at home. We can set up a tent and pretend we're in the wilderness. Let's ask a grown-up to help us set up a tent. Once it's ready, we can gather around and enjoy some delicious treats. We can roast marshmallows over a fire pit and tell spooky stories. There's nothing like the crackling of a fire and the taste of gooey marshmallows to make the night special. Don't forget to bring your favorite stuffed animal to keep you company. They make great adventure buddies and will help you feel cozy and safe. Look, the stars are out tonight. The night sky is full of wonders. Let's lie down and see how many constellations we can find. It's the perfect way to end our backyard adventure. Time to make some cool things. Let's paint some rocks. Painting rocks is a fantastic way to express our creativity and have fun at the same time. We can turn ordinary rocks into beautiful pieces of art. We can use our imaginations to create anything we want. The possibilities are endless. From animals to abstract designs, we can let our creativity run wild. How about we paint a ladybug? Ladybugs are cute and colorful, and they make for a perfect rock painting project. We can use red and black paint to create the ladybug's body and spots. Or maybe a funny face? We can paint silly expressions and goofy smiles. Each rock can have its own unique personality. We can even write our names on them. Personalized rocks make great keepsakes and gifts for friends and family. Wow, these rocks look amazing! Look at all the vibrant colors and creative designs. Each rock is a mini masterpiece. Let's put them in the garden to make it extra special. Painted rocks can add a splash of color and a touch of whimsy to any garden. They can be placed around plants, along pathways, or even in flower pots. We can make our own bird feeders. It's super easy and a great way to help our feathered friends. Plus, it's a fun project that we can do together. We just need some birdseed, a pine cone, and some peanut butter. These simple ingredients are all we need to create a tasty treat for the birds. First, we spread the peanut butter all over the pine cone. This will act as the glue that holds the birdseed in place. Then, we roll it in the birdseed. Make sure to cover the pine cone completely so the birds have plenty to eat. Finally, we find a perfect spot to hang our bird feeder outside. It could be in a tree, on a fence, or anywhere the birds can easily find it. The birdies will love their yummy treat. Watching the birds enjoy the feeders we made is so rewarding. Playing with Play-Doh is so much fun. We can squish it, roll it, and shape it into anything we can imagine. And guess what? We can make our own. Homemade Play-Doh is easy to make and can be customized with different colors and scents. We need flour, salt, water, and some food coloring. These basic ingredients are all we need to get started. First, we mix the ingredients together. It's like a science experiment, watching the ingredients come together to form the dough. Then, we knead the dough until it's nice and smooth. This part is really fun and helps to make the Play-Doh soft and pliable. Now, we can use cookie cutters to create fun shapes. We can make stars, hearts, animals, and more. The possibilities are endless. This is the best Play-Doh ever. It's soft, colorful, and perfect for hours of creative play. Making and playing with our own Play-Doh is a fantastic way to spend time together and let our imaginations soar. Learning can be super fun too. Science experiments are super cool. Let's make a volcano erupt. We need baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, and red food coloring. First, we build a volcano shape out of Play-Doh or clay. Then, we add the baking soda, dish soap, and food coloring. Finally, we pour in the vinegar and watch the volcano erupt. Wow, that was amazing! Let's have a summer reading challenge. We can choose our favorite books and see how many we can read before summer ends. Reading is so much fun. It helps us learn new things and use our imaginations. What's your favorite book? Rainy day? Let's play inside. Rainy days are perfect for building forts. We can use blankets, pillows, chairs, and anything else we can find. Let's make our fort super cozy with blankets and pillows. We can even hang some fairy lights to make it extra special. This is the best fort ever. Family game night is so much fun. We can play board games, card games, or even charades. Let's pop some popcorn and make it a party. Playing games together is a great way to spend time with family and have lots of laughs. I'm going to win this time. Forts are the best hiding places. Forts are the best hiding places for both young and old. There's something magical about creating a space that's all your own, hidden away from the rest of the world. Building a fort is like making our own secret world. It's a place where our imaginations can run wild, and we can be anything we want to be. Let's use chairs and blankets to make the walls. We can drape the blankets over the chairs to create a cozy, enclosed space. Pillows make the floor super comfy. Don't forget a flashlight. It can be our guiding light in the dark corners of our fort. We might need it in our fort adventure. Imagine all the places we can explore and the adventures we can have with just a flashlight. We can read books in our fort. It's like having our own private reading nook where we can get lost in stories. It's like having our own library. We can fill our fort with all our favorite books and spend hours reading. We can tell stories to each other too. Sharing stories is a great way to bond and let our imaginations soar. Maybe spooky stories or funny ones. We can make each other laugh or give each other a little scare. What stories do you like? Everyone has a favorite story to tell, and our fort is the perfect place to share them. Let's pretend our fort is a spaceship. We can blast off into space and explore the galaxy. We can fly to different planets and meet aliens. Our fort can take us anywhere our imaginations want to go. We can be pirates searching for treasure. Our fort can be a pirate ship sailing the high seas in search of hidden gold. Forts can be anything we want them to be. They are the perfect place for our imaginations to come to life. What will you imagine in your fort today? The possibilities are endless when we let our creativity take over. Let's have the best fort adventure ever. With our imaginations, there's no limit to the fun we can have in our fort. Family game night. Who's ready to win? Game night is a great time to laugh and play together. We can choose our favorite games. Do you like funny games? Or games where we have to think really hard? We can play card games like Go Fish or Crazy Eights. Board games are fun too. Candyland is a yummy adventure. Chutes and Ladders is full of surprises. The most important rule of game night is to have fun. It's okay to be silly and laugh a lot. We can even make up our own games. What kind of game will you create? Game night is the best night. Let's get playing. Let's be chefs in our kitchen. Cooking and baking together is so much fun. We can make yummy treats and learn new things. Let's put on our chef hats and get started. We can bake cookies. Chocolate chip cookies are my favorite. We can decorate them with sprinkles and frosting too. Baking cookies makes the kitchen smell so good. Let's make sandwiches for lunch. We can choose our favorite fillings. I like peanut butter and jelly. We can cut our sandwiches into fun shapes too. Helping in the kitchen is a great way to learn about food and cooking. It's important to always ask a grown-up for help before we touch anything hot or sharp. Now let's get cooking. Reading makes us super smart. Reading expands our imagination. Reading takes us on amazing adventures. We can explore new worlds and meet interesting characters. Books can teach us so many things. We can visit the library and choose new books to read. Libraries have so many books. It's like a treasure hunt for stories. What kind of books do you like to read? Let's create a cozy reading nook in our room. We can add pillows, blankets, and even some fairy lights. It's the perfect place to relax and get lost in a good book. Reading is a superpower. It helps us learn and grow. So grab a book and let your imagination soar. Little gardeners, let's grow something amazing because gardening is like magic. We can plant tiny seeds and watch them grow into beautiful flowers or yummy vegetables. Let's plant some sunflower seeds. Sunflowers grow tall and have big, bright yellow petals. They look like giant smiles. We can grow our own tomatoes. Tomatoes are red and juicy. They taste delicious in salads and sandwiches. Gardening teaches us about nature and where our food comes from. It's also a lot of fun to get our hands dirty. Let's get gardening. Summertime is fun time, a break away from school and oftentimes spent with our families. Wow, we learned about so many fun things to do this summer. Remember, summer is a time for adventures, creativity, and making memories. We can explore the great outdoors, create amazing things, and learn while having a blast. Don't forget to spend time with your family and friends. Make this summer the best one yet. What are you waiting for? Go out there and have an amazing summer. I know I will. Please subscribe for weekly videos that will inspire and guide you in making education fun and effective for your little ones. And click the like button if you enjoyed the video.